For the most enjoyable viewing, you'll want to adjust your LG Smart TV to suit your personal preferences, in addition to making the most of the content you're watching. Here's how. From the home screen, click Settings. And here's Picture Mode right up top, with a wide range of customizing options. Start with energy saving, with its various power-saving modes. Auto is the most versatile choice, automatically adjusting the backlight to work in tandem with the lighting of your room. Minimum reduces backlighting a bit, and maximum conserves the greatest amount of energy. Next, Picture Mode, LG's wide world of fine-tuning choices. Auto Power Save makes the most of your TV's Energy Star rating, and under this tab, you'll find settings that bring out the best in movies, sports, and games, plus targeted settings that let you adjust contrast, brightness, color intensity, and more. Picture Reset returns all settings to their original factory default. Aspect ratio determines how the image will appear on the screen, whatever you prefer for whatever content you might be watching. And Picture Wizard 3 is LG's user-friendly guide that takes you through some fairly sophisticated calibrations of the black level, white level, tint, color, and horizontal and vertical sharpness, all through a series of simple steps. With its wide range of custom viewing options, your LG Smart TV is really all about you.